Welcome to ASK Tutorials. We are learning HTML. In this video we will learn about the font tag in a HTML. How to use a font tag in a HTML page. If you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. Why we should learn the font tag? Fonts plays the important role in a page. So by using a fonts we can make a website more user friendly and increasing a content readability. The font face and a font color depends entirely on the computer and a browser. Means it's depend upon the which computer and which browser you are using for the page execution. So the font face and a font color depends on the computer and a browser which you are using for the page execution. We can use a HTML font tag to add style, size and a color to the text on your website. We can use a base font tag to set all of your text to the same size, same face and a same color. There are some attributes for a font tag that are size, color and a face. These are the three attributes comes under the font tag. First one is how to set a font size. We will see first. We can set the content of a font size by using a size attribute. The range of accepted values is from 1 to the 7. 1 is the smallest value and 7 is the largest value. The default size of a font is 3. Means when we will not specify a size for a font, that time the font size is 3. That automatic it will come. This is the example for here a font size. In this example we displayed there a font size 1 to 7, whereas how we displayed here a font size is equal to 1 comes in a inverted commas, then a font size is equal to 1 it will be displayed, then we end the font tag. Like this we displayed all the font size from 1 to 7 here. When we will execute this page we will get an output like this here. The font size 7 is a big size in a text, where a font size 1 is a smallest size text in a page. Next one is a relevant font size. We can specify how many size larger or how many size smaller than the present font size should be. We can specify it like a font size equal to plus n. Plus n means number you can specify there, or a font size equal to minus n. We can specify the font size in a plus or a minus sign with a number. Here is an example here. We can specify the font size with a larger size or a minus size there. Next one is setting a font face. Font face means we are setting a font style there. We can set a font face using a face attribute, but be aware that if the user viewing the page doesn't have the font installed, they will be not able to see it. It means if on the which system you are executing that page and the system is not having, means system is not installed that font, then it will not able to see it. Instead, user will see the default font face applicable to the user's computer. Means the font which already installed on the user's computer, that will be displayed on the screen. The default font face is a Times New Roman. Here example for the font face here. Inside a body we declared the font and we specified the font face is equal to Times New Roman, and we given a size also there. We given the font face here, Times New Roman, Veranda, Comic Sans MS, Wild West, Bedrock. These are the font face, which are the styles of the font here. When we will execute this page, we will get an output like this, which are having a font face. Next one is setting a font color. We can set any font color you like using a color attribute. We can specify the color that you want by either the color name or a hexacode for that color. We seen in our previous videos that we can set a color by a name or a hexa value by a RGB values. This is an example here for setting a color. Here in a font color is equal to, we given a hexa number. In the second line we given a color with a name there. Color is equal to red. So when we will execute this page, we will get an output like this here. This is how we used the font color in a page. Font color makes a page attractive, so it plays a important role in a HTML page. Next one is a base font element. The base font element is supposed to set a default font size, color and a typeface for any parts of the document that are not otherwise contained within a font tag. We can use the font elements to override the base font setting. The base font tag also takes color, size and space attribute. It will support relative font setting by giving a size value of a +1 for a size larger or a -2 for a 2 size smaller. Here the example here given for the base font. Here we declared that inside a body, base font face is equal to Arial or a Veranda and a sans serif we are given. Any of the three font face it will take, and we declare the size is a 2 and the color is given by hexacode there. So, and when we will execute this page, that time the text will come with a Arial or a Veranda or a sans serif there. This is an example here. We got a output for the base font color page. This is how we learn the font in a how to use a font in a HTML page. Thank you for watching the video.